Hi, I'm Tim from the Richer Sounds Custom Installations Department, and I just want to take you through a few things that we can do. The department is here to support our colleagues on any projects that they're involved in. Whilst our colleagues are experts in their own right, when a project features many elements or can grow to be quite large, we can either be consulted or project manage the whole thing on their behalf. More than just installing a large TV or projector, we can design, manage and build your vision from the start all the way through to the finishing touches and then support you beyond that. Whether it's a dedicated home cinema, a smart media room, an audio-video system, or a whole house automation, if you've got an idea of what you'd like or just want to find out what's possible, please get in touch. From your first consultation all the way through to the completion of your project, you'll have the support of the whole team, our nationwide stores, and over 150 approved installers. We make sure the best person is on hand when needed, and we work with your builders, designers, and architects to integrate the technology as seamlessly as possible. Winners of multiple Which Retailer of the Year awards, proud senior members, and now Control4 Partner of the Year means we have all the tools necessary to complete your project. Getting in touch is easy. There's a short form on our website which allows us to get some background information on your project, and then we can make sure the best team member is there to meet your needs. From here, we can arrange a phone, video, or in-person consultation, or sometimes we can even come out to your property and see the place firsthand. From there, we can refine your vision with what the latest technology can offer. From this, we can design your system using the best products possible for any budget. You can then sit back and relax whilst we project manage the whole installation from everything you've picked. And even after the project is finished, we're still here for you as needed. After a few months, we can offer a free health check to make sure your system is performing at its absolute best for you. So if you're looking for us to help you on your next project, get in touch. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you for watching.